This is a Minima 2 puzzle, absolutely fantastic puzzle from a Minima puzzle series designed by Frederic, Boucher and made by Pelikan. And I will show you how to solve this puzzle in this video. The difficulty level of the Minima 2 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame. And the frame has a couple of cutouts. A large cutout is right here and a small one right here. There are no other cutouts in the frame. And you will notice that there is one piece that is quite large and it kind of keeps almost all the space inside the frame. And you can easily fit 3 parts inside, but there is not enough space to fit the last one. Actually, there is enough space, but there is no way you can stick it inside. So you have to find a correct way to fit all of the parts inside the frame. If you like the Minima 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, you grab this piece, put it inside like that, and then you have to rotate it 90 degrees and put it up here like that. Then you grab this piece, put it inside and put it under the first piece like that. Then you put this piece inside like that and all the way to the left. The next step is very important. You have to tilt the box so that the piece that is under this one will go all the way to the right and then all the way to the front like that and then like that. Now it is under this large piece. Then this piece drops down. You can move it all the way to the right and there is just enough space to fit the last part and the puzzle is solved. And that is the solution of the Minima 2 puzzle from the Minima puzzle series. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.